Wow naman! At dahil dyan, get ready with me para i-earn ang respeto ni Danica. You caught me on a bad mood, Danica. Dahil dyan, humanda ka't makinig ka. First of all, I don't know where you got the idea that I'm forcing you or people like you to respect me. Because if you're someone who doesn't respect me or chooses to disrespect me just because of my gender identity of being a trans woman, believe me, it says something more about you than me. And if that would be the case, believe me, your respect is too shallow and I don't need it. Kasi kung mawawala yung respeto mo dahil sa pagkatao ko, inaano kita sa paanong paraan ka naapektuhan ng pagkatao ko, Danica. Kasi kung ang pinaparating mo ay hindi ka respeto ang mga tao na tulad ko, gusto kong malaman kung sa paanong paraan ka naapektuhan ng pagkatao ko. Binibigyan ka ng 5 segundo para sumagot. And I think I need to humble you down a bit. Kasi Danica, sino ka ba? At kailangan ko pa talagang i-earn ang respeto mo. Shouldn't be respect the default when you meet someone or when you see people. Tapos, mawawala lang yung respeto mo kapag ka meron silang ginawa sa'yo o meron silang ginawang bagay na hindi ka respeto. And as I said, if you're someone na nawawala yung respeto mo sa tao when you find out that they're queer, believe me, it says something more about the kind of person you are, your morals, and especially your character. Because you will get to see us every day. You will get to encounter people like me on a daily basis. And if you can find yourself to respect us or yet alone see us as human beings worthy of respect and kindness, then that's something about the kind of person that you are. Pero Danica, linawin ko lang sa'yo that I am not forcing you or people like you to respect me. I don't know, maybe it's my tone or the way that I speak, but I am not forcing you to respect me. Whenever I make my videos saying that trans women are women, trans rights are human rights, I am not forcing respect. I demand respect, not from you, Danica, not from you. Kasi Danica, i-share ko lang sa'yo baka lang kasi di ka aware, pero hindi respeto mo yung bubuo sa pagkatao ko. And as I said, I don't force people to respect me. I don't ask for respect. I demand respect from the academic institutions, from the government, from the people in the service industry. I demand respect from where it matters. I'm sorry to break it to you, but you don't matter to me, Danica. You don't. Pero I also don't know you rin kasi, Danica. I don't know, maybe you work for the government, you work in the service industry, or you work in healthcare. And if that's the case, I'm sorry, Danica, again. You will be forced to respect me. You will be required to respect me if you are part of the things that I have mentioned before. The government, healthcare, service industry, or if you cater service to people, you are required to respect me. Siguro what I mean to say is kung hindi ka naman kabilang sa mga nabanggit ko kanina, Danica, hindi importante sa akin ang respeto mo. Maybe because you're not important. Baka sabihin mo rin na hindi ako importante, so hindi mo rin ako irerespeto. Pero sabi ni Jose Rizal, kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. 21, nag-aaral pa. Pag-asa ng bayan, importanteng tao ako, Danica. Kidding aside, ang gusto ko talagang sabihin at iparating, Danica, hindi ka nakakapagbago ng buhay, hindi mo nababago ang mundo. Sino ka ba, Danica? So, hindi ko kailangan ang respeto mo, hindi ko kailangan ang pagkilala mo, lalong-lalo na kung tuwing eleksyon naman, bumoboto ka ng trapo na politiko. Stalker din pala ako, one of many things that I am. Kaya kung bumoboto ka ng mga corrupt na politiko, mga trapo at nasa political dynasty, hindi ka nakakatulong sa mundo. Nakakasira ka pa ng mundo. But I do hope I made myself very clear on how I view respect, Danica. Hindi ka nang galing ng PBB para sabihin na ang respect, ine-earn yan, Maricris, ine-earn yan. Ay, Diyos ko, sino ka? Because for me, respect should always be your default when you encounter people. And if you begin to lose your respect nang wala namang ginagawa sa'yo at nang wala namang ginagawa ang ibang tao, then I say that says something about you. You need to work on yourself. Baka meron kang God complex or something. This is our final look. Feeling ko hindi tayo lalo ire-respect ni Danica neto. Paki ko.